What's up, YouTube? It's your boy K Knight with K Knight's Garage. First of all, I'd like to say thank you for everybody who watched my videos and all the support that you showed me. I appreciate it. I'm just gonna show y'all where this journey started from, and I got a request to start doing stuff live, so I just wanted to go back in my archive to show y'all what all was going on here, what all I've done, and hope you enjoy it. Got any questions? Going further into the future, I'm gonna be doing hands-on stuff, showing you how I do stuff. Might not be the right way, but it's gonna be my way. I don't care what you say. Like I said, opinions like buttholes, everybody got one. So check it out. Look at what I've done, learning from all these other guys out there. Shout out to all those out there putting in work. Appreciate everybody. Just going through here, looking at what this car was and where it's at now, man. It kind of, show you can do anything you put your mind to. I ain't know nothing about none of this, but now that I'm into it, I find myself researching, studying, looking at other people's work. No, I'm not perfect. No, I'm not the best, but I'm getting there. I'm perfect in my own way. It's my car. I can do what I want. So I really don't care. Long as I'm happy with it, that's all that matter. But anyway, I appreciate everybody, man. I found out by doing this, you gotta have the right tools for the right job. It makes stuff a whole lot easier. But that's for another day. I'm enjoying this. Got any questions, hit me up, comment. Spread the word, share it, post it on your book or whatever, whatever. I support you, you support me, you know what I mean? But you know me, I ain't that type of person, no way. I'm gonna do what I like when I want to. So I appreciate everybody. Enjoy the video. Hit me up, comment. Let me know what you think. I'm getting pretty good at this video thing. I ain't the best editor. I ain't no graphic designer. I ain't none of that, but I'm learning. It's better than that first one. All right, y'all. Peace out. Enjoy. Thank y'all for watching.